home, have a think about it, but it seems it's very cool. So I don't know. Right, so the Lexus has a lot more fresh fuel than the Daihatsu, so I think I'm gonna take the fuel out of this. So we've got 5 litres of fuel. While I'm here, I'm going to steal the battery. There's no fuel coming out there. And there's no fuel coming out there. See what's in the tank. There's definitely something in the tank. It's very black today. It doesn't look too bad, and now I'm running out of fucking tank space. Fuck's sake. This is the fuel filter, loaded and stuff. I'll clear it out. Fuel pump's dead. So I've made up a fuel pump from there's one online for an Audi 80. So I've kind of snipped the wires, and it's about the same, so hopefully this works. distributor. Let's check this, because if it's not sparking, then it's not going to start. It's spluttering. Cycle it a few times. It almost wants to go, doesn't it? Start cranking it.